here's the picture of the kids playing in the mud. What's the word? Say it fast. Yes, mud. Look at, they're getting it all over themselves. But it looks like they're having a good time. All right, on this page, we're going to say the sounds slowly, then we'll say them the fast way. So everybody think. Get ready. Yes. Now say it the fast way. Get ready. Yes. Good job. Let's do it one more time. Say it the slow way. Get ready. Good. And now say it the fast way. Get ready. Yes. All right, let's move down here. We're going to say it slowly first. Now take a deep breath. Get ready. Good job saying ah. Now if you stop between the sounds, I want you to keep practicing that. Okay, say it the fast way. Get ready. Yes, ah. Okay, let's do it one more time. Let's do it together this time. We're going to say it slowly together. Get ready. Ah. Nice job. Now say it fast. Yes, ah. Let's see if you can say all these sounds without making a mistake. Now look, they keep changing, so don't get tricked. Everybody think. Get ready. Yes. Next one, think. Get ready. Good job saying think. Get ready. Nice job saying think. Get ready. Nice job. Think. Get ready. Good job saying all right, if you got tricked on any of those, go back through and practice again.